Hi.
Hello viewers, I'm
Alright.
TVB and I'm here today playing White Noise with Nick, aka the Chunky Lemons. Yep, there's Nick.
Hi.
So White Noise, for those who don't know, is pretty much Slender, only it's with multiplayer and there's different maps to play on.
Gonna find the first page.
Yeah, so there's like 8 pages, right Nick?
I think 7.
Oh, okay.
I can't count past 5.
Nick,
so.
should we stay together or should we like go our own ways?
No. If we split apart, a message pops up, don't go alone, and then he kills you. So do not drift off.
Wait, so what's a Slender Man look like?
You'll find out. He's kind of like... I can't describe it.
Okay.
Oh!
What?
I hear a page. I'll let you have it. It's right here.
Alright.
You numbnut.
Right here? That's not a page, it's like a tape recorder.
Just pick it up.
Oh!
Oh look, there he is.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Follow me, I know where I'm going.
No, you don't, Nick. You're just walking casually and that thing is right there. For the record, Nick put us on hard, so I'm probably gonna die within a few seconds.
Just don't look at it. It's all you gotta do.
I'm right here!
Oh, sorry. I thought you were very far away. Alright, let's go. Oh, perfect. Tombstone. Nope. Oh, I hear Paige, don't you?
Not good. Oh, there it is.
Alright, go pick it up. I'll let you have it and get some characters. Now let's run...
Run for freaking lives.
Let's run like hell. Best sausage? Go!
Great! That's so great!
Just tell me if I'm going too fast because I know.
The sprint is like so slow. Oh, shoot, there he is. Okay, move.
Nick, I'm back.
Oh, hey, Freddy. Yeah, Freddy was in the party, too. Freddy, we're playing White Noise. I'm recording this.
White noise.
Yeah.
You have white noise.
Oh.
You wanna play it?
Oh, is it fight?
Freddy, don't you have this game?
You have it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, silly Freddy. I'm actually recording this right now.
You already bought it.
Nick, you're going too fast.
That's obvious.
Oh yeah.
I
If you see any glowing green dildos, don't look at them.
Glowing green dildos.
The dildo.
I'm telling you that's exactly what they look like.
I call him the green.
I don't know why you want me to be the leader. Oh look, there he is. There's Uncle Grandpa. Here's a hand.
Hand?
And another hand.
Hand? What hand?
Yeah, can I join now? Or
You can join Freddy.
Oh,
there he is.
Oh shit, he's right there. Oh, green dildo on the right. Don't look at it.
Freddy, if we invite— No! He got me.
We can't invite you in game. And now you're a spirit and you can spectate me. Try to find me, Vita.
I know.
How on earth can I find you? Oh, Nick, I found a recorder. I found a page. Yeah. It's right over here.
Oh, Vitas, I see you.
Wait, you can see me?
You see me? Are you blind?
I see you, Nick. I'm looking at a recorder right here. The page. It's right here on this tree.
Alright, can you move? I'm trying to pick it up, but you're in the way. Alright, over here. Follow me, alright?
So, Nick, you can actually see me as a ghost?
Yes, I can. You can sprint though, and you can't see Slender anymore because you're dead. You're just spectating.
Oh.
I think I could beat this alone, maybe. Oh, now I have 5.
Great!
I haven't seen him yet after you died. He's just like not been.
Like, every time you turn around, he's there, though.
I don't turn around like directly. I turn around slow. Alright, so that's gonna lead me in a circle, so I better slow.
So,
is this the end of the map?
oh, Freddy wants to join a party.
boy.
Should we just invite him?
Yeah. He's right next to me.
Where?
I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. You can't see him, Vita.
Run.
Insane.
Run, Nick, run!
Ah, he's right behind me. He's literally chasing me, and I can't do anything because I'm out of breath.
Oh, he got you. You are dead.
Let's watch this. Watch the replay.
I was just humping you the entire time. Hi, Freddy.
Not really.
There's an error. It doesn't. I'm leaving.
Freddy, just keep trying.
There's an error.
What? What's that puzzle sign mean?
Keep. I don't. Oh, that means we collected a piece. And explanation points mean whatever we saw.
Wait. Please and swear if it doesn't.
Freddy, just delete it and re-download it. Oh, you died right there.
Wait, I joined. Yay!
Freddy, we're watching a replay of our failure right now.
Oh, look, see, complete circle.
Wow! A complete circle.
It's always circle.
But it's good to make a circle. It's just not good to make another of the same circle. See, now we're. Oh, what?
What?
We just went like as a.
That's gotta be a glitch. Is there anyone to skip the replays?
Alright, I'm Fred.
I can't find you guys.
How do you? Vitas. We'll go back where you went. Where the
There,
heck-
I see.
Wow.
I see Nick. I see you guys. Alright, wait.
He already
Freddy,
lost
Freddy.
us. We just
Freddy,
started the
Freddy.
game.
Let's make love with Nick.
I don't like this. It doesn't look fun.
First of all,
Freddy,
Vitas,
get Nick.
I hope you know we all spawn right next to each other.
I'm so slow.
Just tell me if I'm going too fast.
You're going too fast.
Nick, do you know your way around all these maps?
No, I don't know my way at any of these maps. I just go around until I stumble on something. You guys think I know where I'm going? Hell no, I don't know where I'm going. Why are you guys looking back? I'm just gonna keep going. You guys are slow.
No, we're looking. I'm looking for pages. I don't know what Freddy's doing.
Oh no, don't look for pages. You'll hear him.
Yeah, it'll get more static.
Oh, so yeah, this is our little train. Woot woot. The wrong stop. All right, here we go. Here's our main stop right here. We can
Why would we like phones?
all aboard. All aboard.
Don't even think about looking back. That's the worst way.
Yeah, but we didn't collect a page yet, so he won't even come after us yet.
Right when we get a page, he's probably just gonna pop out of nowhere.
All right, so basically, do not look. Don't turn unless you have to. That's
Well, how do you know when he's coming?
you don't know. That's the point of the game, Vitas.
Oh god, it locked.
Nick.
Yeah, there's no pages. I don't. Do you guys hear anything? Maybe you should.
Nope, I don't hear anything either.
All right, let's go in this room. Still don't hear anything.
About it. About it.
Oh, hey, Freddy.
me.
Too bad he can't teabag in this game.
Guys, kind of left me.
Where's Nick?
Oh, right here. Turn around. Turn your asses around. Guys, you gotta tell me when you lose me, alright?
Oh, okay.
Tell me.
You're so fast.
Just tell me.
Well,
I'll slow
if
down.
I'm fast, I'm so. Wait,
gotta-
I think it's somewhere over here.
You just gotta tell me when you want me to slow down.
Don't you hear a noise? Like a little noise?
Yeah, where the heck are all the pages?
Going in.
We'll stumble upon at least one. Get out of this hallway and go to another hallway that we.
Oh, where'd you guys go? I lost you guys.
Here
Vitas is lost. Vitas. Yeah, I hear it too. Vitas, I said if we're going too fast.
No, I wasn't. You were going too fast. Maybe I'm just spinning too much. It's dangerous to go alone.
Oh no, that's a green. That's a green thing.
Oh shoot!
Don't
Shoot!
look at
Shoot!
that.
Shoot! It's green! It's green! It's green! It's green! It's green! It's green!
Look at me.
I'm gonna die. Where are you guys?
You look.
Vitas, you are dead. You are long gone.
No! No! No!
Or your page for sure now this time.
No! I'm dead.
Freddy, now follow me. You with me?
I'm a ghost
Oh,
now.
it's dead.
He can't
Wait, what?
rewind. I died. Shit. He can't.
Hey, I see Ghost Freddy.
Oh my god. Hey! Hi!
Where is he? What?
I'm right here. Look.
I don't.
Hi!
Oh, hi, Freddy.
Backwards, Nick.
Oh,
What?
there goes Nick.
It was, dude. I turn around for a second.
Okay.
Play. Oh my god. Oh.
Right? See? Look at my leadership skills.
Wow. 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 Wow.
He drifted off.
How on earth did I lose you guys like that?
He gets lost.
This is so funny.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so long.
This is funny. Okay, this time, guys, I promise not to die so quickly.
I'm gonna die soon. We went the same way.
Oh yeah. Oh, we were in the jail cell. These are the jail cells where we hid.
Go back. Then I think I died.
And yep, there we go.
What happens if you die?
Oh, you become a ghost, and like you.
I know, but I know. If you do,
Oh,
I'm gonna left.
look at this! Look at this fatso over here.
We got the first.
What the heck are you staring at, fool? Oh my God! It's the Hall of Heads. Look at this. It's the weirdest museum ever.
Oh, found a tape recorder. Found it. This is.
Oh God, my controller is pumping. This is freaky.
The running too fast. We gotta stop.
Hey guys, look, a torture room.
Oh, he's right there! He's right there! Run! Nick! Run! 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 Freddy! Run, Freddy! Oh, shit! He's over there! He's over there!
Back to the torture room.
No! No! I'm not dying this young nor sober. Oh!
Let me take it. Oh my god.
That was horrifying!
Oh, it is on Nightmare, guys.
Oh, no, ignore the green penises.
Or where the green belong.
This is so freaky.
Guys, we're gonna find it.
Wait, so it's easy, normal, hard, and nightmare, is that it?
Easy is like the easiest.
God, this game is gonna give me nightmares, I swear.
Whoa, guys, it glitched. Whoa, Nick, you're so far.
Hey, look. Barack
It's another Hall of Heads! Thanks, Obama!
Guys, this is where we can camp. Perfect.
Oh, no.
Yay. And there's a page here.
Where?
I got it.
Aw.
Gonna take it. See? Now we can just camp out here.
Yeah, okay, Nick, come closer, please. It's a threesome, let's go. It's a
Get
threesome!
away.
Freddy, get in here! It's okay, I got skinny jeans for everyone. Yes,
I
yes!
would scream. I would puke my lungs out when my sister sleeps.
Dude, he's gonna pop. I swear.
Alright, Vitas? Why don't you be the
No!
Yeah,
You go.
Uh,
I have to check everything.
well, Nick, you had the most experience in this game than all of us.
See? It's fine. He's not even there.
Oh, he's over there, he's over there, he's over there! Run, run, run! Guys!
He's not even there, guys.
I saw him! I saw him!
There's nothing there, Vitas.
Oh,
See? Nothing there.
oh, crap!
There's nothing
No! Freddy! Get back in the corner, get back in the corner! No!
Oh god.
We're dead, we're so dead. Never let go, guys, never let go.
Alright, okay. Everyone, get into this corner and then look at the wall. We'll be safe. Alright, die.
You go first. You go
Who wants
first.
to go
You
check?
go first.
Look, he's not even there. He's not there. See? Fine.
I don't like this.
Let's go on an adventure.
Wait, you got too far, too far, too far.
Freddy!
Wait,
Freddy!
wait.
Oh, he's over there! He's over there! Run! 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 He's over there! He's over there!
Guys, too far, too far. You guys are going too
Freddy!
far.
Freddy!
Too far.
What? I'm not taking a right.
Oh, more bloody footprints.
Oh, well.
Wait. Oh my god. That's such a bad.
It's like a horror movie.
Something fell on the floor.
Oh, like, oh, I heard him. I heard him. He got me all over that wall.
Turn around. Turn around, everyone.
He's over. I just heard him on the wall. Put him over there.
Wait, Nick, does getting the pages like unlock new maps too?
Oh, he's right there.
Oh,
He's right
shit,
there. He's
shit.
right there.
Run, 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 Freddy, run! Nick, run, Nick! Go, guys, run!
I got stabbed.
Oh, crap. I
Oh,
think I saw him over there.
Oh, he's right by the green gun.
Wait.
Too far, guys. Too far.
Freddy!
Too far. Too far.
Freddy! Don't lose us, man. Oh, there you are. Okay, okay.
I'm staying with Nick.
I'm staying with you guys. Let's stick together.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, something fell on the floor again. There. Is this... Hey, Freddy, is this your wallet?
Oh, he's over there, he's over there, he's over there. Move, move, move. How many pages have we collected? Like 3?
2. 2. Oh, 3. Alright, look, we have our army.
He died.
What?
I'm dead.
You,
I popped up behind
you're dead? Okay, Nick, just you and me then.
Yeah.
Oh, Paige. We're by the Clayman army. Freddy, we're trying to survive. Oh, hey, Freddy. Ghost Freddy.
Because do not look behind.
Oh,
I look from behind.
Freddy, Nick, I just heard a noise.
Freddy, I'm just letting you know, when you're a spirit, you can't see him.
Nick, can you let me take a few pages? You're like being a page hog.
Then you're gonna have to.
What are you doing?
Because, what are you doing? Just go forward.
Oh, shit, no, he got me.
There you go.
I don't know, he just appeared right from the corner, and he got me.
Yeah, I know. He just spawned right in front of you. That was.
Wait, Nick, which direction did you go in?
Doesn't matter now. I'm gonna die.
You're so fat.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, wait.
I'm dead.
Oh, I just saw you.
Alright,
Boy, Nick,
come on.
let's do this.
See, the minute Vitas started leading, we all died. Oh, the circle strategy.
Wait, no.
Man, he was all over us.
Yeah, it's a nightmare.
Oh yeah, that's where we had our threesome.
Oh yeah, we were there for a while.
And then Nick died. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end off the recording right here, guys. So yeah,
Don't just leave the whole clip. You gotta like.
I know,
Have it.
edit it, I know. Alright guys, well I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Niners by subscribing if you haven't done so. Don't forget to check out Nick's channel, and if you guys want more white noise videos, let me know. And yeah, have an awesome day. TVB9 out.